Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to rotate video on the Clipchamp application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open the Clipchamp application if you already have downloaded to your PC. If you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through any browser. You can use any browser, of course, download it. It will be like pretty simple. You must have been downloaded something on your PC before, so it will be the same steps. Of course, if you are a Windows 11 users like me, it will be like downloaded per default into your PC. But if you are not, if you are like a Windows 10 user, some users have it downloaded already, but some users don't. So of course, if you don't have it downloaded, make sure to go and download it. Once you download it, you'll have to go and open the application up. And of course, you'll just wait until it's opened. You'll have then now to log in into your account if you have an account. But if you don't have an account, just make sure to go and create a new account to log in into it. And of course, you can actually upgrade to the or subscribe with them to have more features. Of course, you can use the free one. And here you'll be able to create a new video or record something here, or just go and edit some of your videos right here. So of course, right here, we would like, let's say as an example, let's just delete all of those that we have here. And what we said is we would like to replace a video. So let me just grab this here. Of course, you can import some of your videos, or you can just choose some of their stocks videos. Of course, do whatever you want. And as we said, we would like to rotate the video. So simply, once you click add the video, you'll have here this option, flip horizontal and flip vertical. So of course, if you click here, as you can see, it's flipped horizontal, and here it will be flipped vertical. As you can see, we rotated the video, or we actually flip it. Of course, you can have the option of rotate it if you want. As you can see, it's rotated now. You can click on it again, it will be rotated. And here you are, you can let it as it was, and this will be actually it. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching again. Goodbye.